Good morning everybody, we've just left camp, heading to our next one, and I thought I'd video this water crossing. She's not that deep by the looks of it, so pretty. No freshwater crocs in there, don't think. Ooh. Lovely area, isn't it, Roy? We're loving the Gibb, aren't we?
Love the Gibb, yeah.
Absolutely loving it.
Touch wood, we've been okay on the track.
A couple of little damagey bits in the caravan, but nothing major, eh?
Oh, we had one drawer fall out, didn't we? And a door handle come off, or a window handle come off. But that's it, really. Oh, a little bit of dust with our dust extraction.
Which hopefully Roy's fixed.
Yeah, I think the filter, the new filter I put in there wasn't quite thick enough, so I put some foam around it and thickened it up, so that should be good now. Oh. We don't know yet, we haven't had a look, but hopefully it is. Nothing else we can do about it until we get to the other side.
Yeah. So our next spot, we've just left Mount Elizabeth. That's a paid campsite.
Yep.
Great big open. I keep saying to more, I've got to Google it to see how big the land was, because it was massive.
Plenty of spot there, free camp.
Yeah. Well, it's not a free camp. You have to pay for you have to pay.
Yeah.
But we're going to the next one at Hann River. That's a free camp. So but we've got to get there early. See if we can get the best spot. Catch you later. Another little water crossing. Well, big water crossing. This is Hann River. So we've got to work out where we're going to park up. No idea how to do it. I think this is where we put the drone up, I reckon. And have a looky.
Are these guys pulling out? Are they packing up?
I don't know, who knows?
Copy that, you're keeping us stocked up then, lovely, thanks for that.
We've just pulled over, we've just left camp, we're going to our next one, the Gibb River, which is only 20 minutes up the road, but it's going to take a little while longer. The road train's just passing us, and he's fully loaded with food and booze, he just told us, so...
Do you guys ever get to a point where you refuse to drive the road? It's that bad? No, normally not. Only wet season, mate, when it gets too muddy.
Here we are, just about to cross over.
Back and down that right-hand side, I think, mate. Hang on, we'll have a look up here.
We're just going to cross over
Copy that, mate.
the Gibb River and find a good camping spot for a couple of nights. And I would say just there on that sandy patch would be absolutely brilliant. It's a bit up and down though, isn't it? Oh, unless you can get right further down to the water.
You can't get down to that, well you could get onto that sandy patch, but yeah, it's a bit of a mission.
Obviously a very popular site. Popular stop off. Nick's just gone in to have a looky and we're going to follow.
Morning all. No? What's it,
Yeah,
afternoon?
I'm videoing, whatever.
It's afternoon. We're sitting on the Gibb River crossing, having a bit of a swim in the deep side, in the adult pool, because there's kids on the other side.
So we've come over to the left of the crossing.
Yeah, to the left if you're heading east.
and we are parked up to the right. You won't be able to see our van because it's right down there, right down there. Yeah. So this is it's actually entertaining sitting here watching cars go by and get their underpass all nice and clean with the splashes. Nice bit of deep water. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Morning, Grumpy Gang.
Hi.
We have just pulled up. We're actually staying at Drysdale Station. There, fuel, water. There's not a lot to see. You've got the airstrip there, which we'll be going off and doing our air flight over the Mitchell Falls and that. Yeah, it's a full day tour. So yeah, so we'll take you along with that one. We've just came out from the station down to I think it's the Drysdale River crossing. What a beautiful spot.
We're going to go to the swimming hole that's recommended for in Drysdale Station, didn't we?
Yeah, we might even still go down there, have a little look if we get a bit fed up here. But how can you be fed up with this? Look. There's the Drysdale River crossing.
Quite deep.
Yeah, it's about 400 mil deep. Not too bad. Fast flowing. I'll turn you around and of the other side. So the river crossing over there. There's another car parked up there.
How far? About halfway up the wheels?
Oh, about 400 mil. So about 3/4 of the way up the wheels. So this is the river. There's some bream in there. Haven't seen any barra yet. The guy that was parked over there, he's been doing a bit of fishing, flicking a lure. A little bit big, the lure, if you ask me, but yeah, he didn't have any luck. So this is our little spot for a couple of hours at least. We're going to have a little walk around and explore. We shall take you with us. I might go down the river for a little trot. Probably downwards that way.
I did suggest to Roy to get our kayak out, but
the river's quite fast flowing, so it'll be a bit of a paddle. I don't know.
The punt would just take us.
It would take us, but then we've got to come back.
Yeah.
So we'll have a little look, and we might do. And this is the Gibb River Columbaroo Road. The road from the station to here is not too bad. Getting up to the station off the Gibb River Road was quite rough. Can't see any snapping handbags, but we'll definitely be keeping our eye open for them. I think Mrs. Grumpy's contemplating going for a dip. She's got her eyes open, so have I. But we should be alright here. I think it might be a bit chilly. Okay, the deeper the colder. I'll get in there after, but I'll put the camera down. There she goes. Woo!
It's interesting how, you know, there's so many different. It's not just a straight river. It's got actually a lot of offshoots and all that. So I should imagine in the winter time, when the full rain, well, we are in the winter time when the full rains are in. Makes you wonder whether that little island there actually gets covered. But beautiful. So I thought I'd come along and have a little walkie in the water. As you can see, it's all concreted, which is brilliant. Yeah, the temperature of the water is actually really quite nice. So I've learnt, obviously, the deeper waters are the colder. I wanted to get over there. We could have driven over there and gone up the bank, I suppose, but no, like we would have got bloody bogged or something. So I always said there was something coming. It wants me to get out of the road, but I don't know where that was. But how pretty is this? Look, just hearing the water is so relaxing. I could just sit there in the chair, have a bit of a meditate. Bloody lovely. Oh, how deep it is over that way. Oh, this is lovely. But we can't camp up here, but like I've always said, it's on the actual Drysdale station land, and there's no way they're going to let free camping.
Some unfortunate bugger's obviously had some damage to his trailer. Oh well. Towing companies must make a fortune out here. Mrs. Grumpy's going out to do some videoing. I don't think she's too pleased about having to go over there and walk through. Never mind.
It's actually fun sitting here watching traffic pass, going through it. All the different cars. Gives you an idea. Oh, I'm going to get... Doesn't matter. So we've just come away from, what's it called?
Drysdale River Crossing.
Drysdale River Crossing, and we've just chucked a left, and apparently this takes us down to another river.
Miners
Swimming pool. Yeah, so it'd be interesting to see what it's like.
It's about 5.5 k's down this track. So
Yeah.
we're going to have a look.
I just thought I'd do a little bit of video in just to show you how what it looks like from A to B. So, beautiful spot, eh, Mr. Grumpy?
It is very nice.
Yeah, I'm glad we came up here now.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously our only purpose was to come up here to do Mitchell Falls tour. But you know us, we need to go out and explore and see what's around. So I'm glad we did now. We're just coming away from the river. Oh, I'll get a bit of a video on that. It's like a, what, must be a cow. What do you say, cow, Roy?
Dead cow, yeah?
Dead cow.
little south down here, there's a lot of indigenous rock. Right, Sarah Jane looks like she's going for a swim. Right, we're at Myrtle Pool with the falls over there in the distance. And Sarah Jane's going down on her bum to slide into the water like a crocodile. Is it chilly? Right. So it's chilly. Refreshing. Wow, what a long way down. Merton's Big Pool. A hike into the top of the Mitchell Falls. Helicopters waiting for us. The Mitchell River, people sitting in the water there.
Swim, can't we?
I hope so.
I really hope so. I'm just not. Just a spot.
That'll be us soon. We're going to have a dip and something to eat. Then fly off over the falls. They're beautiful. There's Sarah crossing the falls. Getting the help of the guide, and Mrs. Grumpy's crossing the Mitchell Falls crossing. We're going to be getting on a helicopter in a minute. I think she is Mrs. Grumpy today as well, because I don't know, she keeps stopping, waiting for me to help her, and then she's sitting and chatting with other people. It's like, no, come on. Never mind. Perhaps I'm grumpy. We've had a long trek in and I'm so hungry. Hopefully we're going to stop here, have a little look around and then get on our helicopter. Which is, where's that? There he is. Mitchell Falls. Here in real life. Oh, just unreal. I've seen it so many times in pictures and on YouTube, and I just haven't got the words for it. It is just beautiful, breathtaking, unreal. We've had a little dip at the top of the falls, and It is lovely, nice and refreshing, as they say. I'll zoom in there. Right, I'm going to see if the others are ready for getting the helicopter. Catch you up there. Right, we're heading over to get on a helicopter. Fly over the falls, and that should take us back to the campsite.
This one goes on first.
Yeah.
Hold on for you.
No. Oh, it's quite brilliant sitting on the edge, isn't it? Right here.
Out, yeah. We're only at 3 this week, so can't get much worse. So.
What's that?
What? No. No, it's a lot of paperwork, so just hold on.